Hello, everyone. My name is Harold Galicer, and I'm CEO of SeaKay Inc. We're a Netreo reseller, and I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Netreo for giving us a chance to include you in our Netreo journey, what we've learned, and give you a vision of what we're doing and the tools that we're giving out to everyone to increase the opportunity for you to basically have a successful Netreo installation. Last year, we actually did a presentation on some initial use cases that we thought would be helpful for the community in having a better perspective on the success for Netreo. Based on our experience that year, we've actually developed some tools that we think that will really increase and enhance your Netreo installation, and also pave your way to success and integration of this great concept that's out there now in terms of artificial intelligence and how it's going to transform the technology landscape. I have to say that the AI Institute is about a half a mile down the hill for us, and we have a lot of interchanges with them. We are very excited about the opportunities that are going to come up in the coming year for AI and its integration into IT management. We've been advocating, and this is sort of a case that we brought up last year, more of an active, proactive approach to your use of Netreo and your engagement in other stakeholders in your organization. We've advocated that you take a more strategic approach to using Netreo and bringing everybody in your enterprise on board, and we feel that that's the key to success. In this strategic approach, what we've been saying is basically that you adopt sort of a path, as we've described over here, leading from awareness to ownership and inclusion in all of your stakeholder groups to achieve your organizational objectives. And this is the fundamental approach that we think will lead to a successful enterprise and sort of evolving your enterprise into a learning organization. We think that also this lays the foundation for your path into AI and how it will sort of increase your standing in the success of your infrastructure in your organization. To this extent, what we've done is we've actually started building a tool set of add-on tools and integrated tools in Netreo that we think will help you embark on this experience. It also, I think, can be put that to the degree that you're able to bring intelligence and be able to inform your enterprise and the various stakeholders of your enterprise in the performance and a need for investment in your IT infrastructure, that'll increase your standing and your ability, your sort of longevity in the organization, and help you advance in your individual career goals. And that's sort of the tool set was built on our experience in the past. And sort of the gaps that evolved in people implementing Netreo and sort of the weaknesses in implementations. All of us are really busy, and there's a lot of stuff that can fall between the cracks as we rush to get a tool set like Netreo working for everyone. And so what we've done is we've tried to sort of give you some tools moving forward to help you compensate for that, track weaknesses in your organization, and help you take the next step on this path. The two tools that we've developed are called Health Check and Business Intelligence. Health Check is sort of something that we see people embarking on an annual basis, pretty much like when you go and do a comprehensive health check with your doctor, where we're basically taking a look at your current state of Netreo, being able, will let you optimize your performance, increase your efficiency, prioritize your efforts, and also plan and budget to achieve your goals. And again, this gets back to the strategic approach that we spoke to before regarding managing your Netreo installation. In addition to that, We are working on some business intelligence tools that are going to help you get the rest of your organization and your stakeholders involved in that. That includes bridging the gap between your data and your day-to-day challenges that you face and decision makers, so they're on board with the needed prioritization and investment that needs to happen as a result of the health check. And also, this will lay the foundation to AI and helping you sort of enhance the AI functionality that Netreo already has. Taking an in-depth look at the health check, and by the way, we do have another presentation going into more of the details and the ideas behind the health check in the conference here, and I would really encourage you to take a look at that. The health check has 4 phases that we're looking at. 3 of them are included in the health check, and 1 is optional that we will work together with you on. Again, this gets back into doing an in-depth audit of your current Netreo installation. The health check has a built-in analysis that helps you understand the gaps and the successes in Netreo. We have an executive summary piece that you see a little bit on the right-hand side that basically will help you communicate the status of your network and the current state of the different elements to senior management. And again, this can be tailorable to your organization. And we have an optional action plan that we would work with you hand in hand to implement to basically improve the cost benefit of your network investments, and also take the next step into AI, like I mentioned before. And again, that has to do a lot with the step-to-step guidance on issue resolution. If we take a look at this, health check audit is going to basically give you a comprehensive review of all the data and all the elements of Netreo. And again, some of the details, we'll take a look at your user groups, we'll take a look at your logins, and how that matches to the different issues involved in your organization. We'll look at all of your devices that are failing and also the ones that are working, and basically give you an idea of how that flows into your site's workflows and device validation. After we collect your data, which actually is a fairly painless and quick effort, because it's all automated on your side, and we'll give you the automated tools to collect the data. We'll basically then compare that against our standards and best practices and inform you of an analysis on device grouping all the way through incidents and problems. And again, we have some of the visualizations that are involved in the right-hand side of the screen, so you can take a look at that. The third step will be a tailored executive summary that you'll be able to forward to management, along with your recommendations and requests for either planning, changes in your systems, and also some optimization in terms of staffing and response times, and modifications to your Netreo install. And again, we'll be able to, as we do this on an annual basis, we'll be able to benchmark your performance and actually demonstrate noted improvement based on your efforts. Based on that, you should be able to, and we can work with you on putting together an action plan to remediate and improve and leverage on your Netreo install, and basically improve the health of your network. Even if you implement the action plan and you work with it on a technical level, we have to emphasize, like I said in the beginning, that it takes more than technology to make a network work. And again, you've got to take a look at all the stakeholders involved in your organizations. Again, IT by definition is a service organization, even though you are running a real network and infrastructure, but the service organization is only as effective as it builds working relationships with your stakeholders in the organization. So, you've got your business applications, you've got the people involved, you've got the processes that you're supporting, and the technology then that is applied to that. And so in doing that, you're going to need tools to basically communicate effectively with the people that you're supporting and help plan forward. And that is the basis of our second set of efforts that I'm going to describe to you. What we've done is we've built a set of tools to basically visualize the information from the health check on an ongoing basis to be able to tailor that information specifically to your priorities and the priorities of your stakeholders. This is using off-the-shelf Microsoft tools that integrate into your Netreo install and basically update all of the various groups of stakeholders that we previously mentioned, so that they're working together with you as an integrated team to move forward. What this also does is lay a foundation in terms of data collection and empowerment to apply artificial intelligence and leverage on the artificial within the trio to deal with your ongoing issues and improve your performance. Here are some of the issues that based on our experience, we've come on to understand are critical issues that people have seen in the past and also want to work on in the future. And these are like quantifiable issues that, again, an investment can yield a return for you and impact your performance and therefore the success of your enterprise. You know, the couple of things that we're looking at here, one, what are the number of incidents that come up in Netreo and the responses to them, and how do they impact your enterprise clients? And, you know, let's take a look at the issues that are generating alerts. A lot of people are suffering from sort of a deluge of alerts and information, and they have to strategically decide what they're going to move on when and what resources they're going to dedicate to those. And again, the business intelligence tools will help you be informed and to act on this in a very strategic manner. And again, leverage on the existing intelligence within your organization and move on to automate this through AI in the future. And again, what we can do is once you've highlighted and selected the issues that you want to focus on and look at, we can build tools and gather data that will help you inform your decisions and where you invest and how you direct your people to prioritize. And this over here is an example of sort of a flat table that we can gather to help you understand where you're at. And again, this is the kind of information that you're going to be getting from the health check on an ongoing basis anyway. But in real time for your operations, what business intelligence will do is translate that kind of information into something like this, which is a strategic approach that can filter from your line staff all the way through senior executives and basically help them understand where the issues are, what the priorities are, and how to basically plan for the future to, again, enhance and ensure the success of your enterprise as you're going forward, especially looking at the AI revolution that's taking place as we go forward. I'd like to thank you for attending this session. I hope that it's of interest to you or has sparked your curiosity. We're very eager to engage you in using the health check to monitor your network on an annual basis, and also to apply the business intelligence tools to sort of leverage your Netreo install and help you move on the path to the AI world that's coming ahead. The effort here is led by Lori Steinmetz, who's a senior Netreo installer who has many years installing Netreo in very large corporate enterprises. And again, I have his email address for you to contact him. Please feel free to contact him directly. If you have any questions about the presentation or you'd like to brainstorm and see how this can apply to your organization, feel free to contact me below. Again, this is Harold Galicer, the CEO of SeaKay, and I hope that this sparked some interest on your part and has got you thinking about what you can do to take the next step in this evolving IT world. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.